I'm just gonna get the ball rolling here with this Laura Mercier Hydrating Foundation Primer. Okay, now that my face is prepped and primed, today's foundation is MAC Pro Longwear. So I'm just gonna start with one area of my face, make sure that it's worked in really well, smooth and everything and nice before I move on to the next area of my face. Because I found with this foundation, it dries really quickly, and if you just rush and spread it all over your face really quick, by the time you get to like other areas of your face, it's already dried and hard to blend. So we're just gonna work this in. If you're wondering what's on my hand, I went to an Arabic bridal party last night. They call it a henna party, and it's actually really cool. They have a lady there that does henna for all the women, and then they have this other lady dressed in like traditional clothing, and she teaches the bride how to make bread for her husband. I've been telling everybody today that it's my prison tattoo and that I killed someone to earn it, because everybody where I work is like, what's that? So I tell them initially, yeah, it's my prison tat, but then I say, yeah, it's henna, relax, it fades away in 2 weeks, calm down. And today's highlighting is brought to you by Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. So I'm just gonna dab some of this on the back of my hand, and then with a little flat mini foundation brush and kind of an inverted triangle shape, I'm gonna go in underneath the eye, carry it down the side of the nose, up to my temple kinda, and then fill it in the middle. And this is like another one that I like to do section by section instead of mapping everything out and then going in and blending, just because this one will, I just feel like it's easier and fresher to blend it as soon as it's applied versus letting it sit on your face and percolate and soak into your skin. So I'm gonna apply that and then kind of blend it out with a beauty blender real quick. Looking flawless. And then on the other side, same thing. Down the nose, up side of your cheek, up to your temple, underneath your eye, and then fill in the middle area. It's more like an obtuse triangle, actually. I failed geometry, so I don't even know if obtuse is the actual right term for how this triangle is looking. And then just go over that with the beauty blender. Quickly, quickly, hurry, hurry. And now, the head, I'm gonna kind of do like this palm tree looking thing. Whoop, whoop. Then carry it down the nose. And do the chin. There we go. For my contour, I'm gonna go in with a Kryolan foundation color called Nutmeg. It's just like a little pot like this. And I just like using foundations for contouring because I feel like they just blend so easily. I'm just gonna go in, chisel out these cheekbones a little bit. A little action on the chin. Head. So this product is a little bit less temperamental than the other products that I was working with, meaning that it blends a little bit better even though it has been sitting on your face and it might be like dry or soaking into your skin. It still blends out pretty good. You don't have to really worry about this one. Alrighty, so before I start powdering things, I'm going to prime my eyelids, and I'm going to be using the MAC Pro Longwear Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. And then I'm also going to use this to kind of chisel around the brows too. Okay, for my powdering, I'm going to be using the MAC Studio Fix powder in the color NC25. I love using powder products because it just has such a blurring effect on the skin, and it makes it looks so flawless and beautiful. I mean, I'm looking at my skin right now in the mirror and it looks like it was airbrushed or something in Photoshop. I'm going in with my Morphe bronzer. It's called it's called Vlogger. It's a, what the heck is this called? Okay, just look at it. Focus, focus. Okay, so I'm going in with this, with just a little angled brush right here to do my little contour areas. These little baby hairs drive me nuts. You know how I got these baby hairs? It's so stupid. I'll tell you a real quick story. I was putting on a wig. It was a lace front unit, and I always see those like pictures of people that have like these perfect little baby hairs that makes the wig look more natural because it looks like your real hair is like sticking out. So I actually took my little like thin pieces of my bangs and just chopped it off. And this is what I'm left with. And that was probably like a month ago, 2 months ago. It had to have been like 2 months ago. So yeah, lesson learned there. And now for my next act, I'm going in with another MAC Studio Fix powder, and this color is in C5. And I'm going to use this as a transition powder between my contour and my highlight. So I'm gonna put this right in between everything. Here it goes. And at last, I'm going to use my tried and true Gorgeous Cosmetics blush palette. Bam. And let's see, I'm gonna go in with, I think I'm gonna go in with these like 3 colors right here. Right there, and right there. So I'm just gonna mix these colors, tap it out, and then right between that contour and highlight, go in with it.